It's a gentle, natural solution that will leave your hair feeling nourished and refreshed. In addition to using the egg white mask, there are a few other things you can do to help control scalp oil. Here are some tips. Don't overwash your hair. Washing your hair too frequently can actually strip away the natural oils that your scalp produces, which can lead to more oil production. Aim to wash your hair every other day or every few days, depending on your hair type. Use a gentle shampoo. Look for a shampoo that is formulated specifically for oily hair. Avoid anything that's too harsh, as this can actually stimulate oil production. Brush your hair regularly. Brushing your hair helps to distribute your scalp's natural oils throughout your hair, which can help to keep it from looking greasy. Be sure to use a brush with soft bristles, as anything too stiff can actually damage your hair. Avoid heat styling. Using hot tools on your hair can strip away moisture, which can stimulate oil production. Try to avoid heat styling as much as possible, and when you do use heat, be sure to use a heat protectant spray. Try a scalp massage. Massaging your scalp helps to stimulate blood flow and improve circulation. This can help to regulate oil production on the scalp. Eat a balanced diet. Your hair health is closely tied to your overall health. Eating a balanced diet that's rich in vitamins and minerals can help to keep your hair looking and feeling its best. By following these tips and using the DIY egg white mask, you'll be well on your way to controlling scalp oil and having healthier, happier hair. Give it a try and see how it works for you. If you're still experiencing oily scalp even after trying all of these methods, it might be worth consulting with a dermatologist or hair care professional. They can help you identify any underlying issues that may be contributing to the problem, and recommend personalized solutions to help you get the results you're looking for. It's important to remember that everyone's hair is unique and what works for one person may not work for another. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. It may take some trial and error to find the right regimen that works for you. Remember to be gentle with your hair and scalp as you try these different solutions. Being too rough with your hair or using harsh products can do more harm than good. It's also important to stay consistent with your hair care routine, as it can take time to see results.